More reasons we love Utah, part 2.
Part 4, guys.
Because they have Monstera for $12 at Trader Joe's.
I did not get one, and I'm already kind of regretting it. No, this is the reason why. Well, there are a lot of reasons why we love Utah, but this is reason number 1.
Watch out, that water looks fast. Did you feel it, Evelyn? What do you think, Danny? Okay, tell me all about Mullins.
Well, did you know something? You can sprinkle mullein seeds in the water.
Did you get some in your eyes?
In the water, and the fish will float up, and you can just grab them.
Oh my god. That's what I've heard.
You got some?
And then what about the leaves?
Well, the pioneers used to use it as toilet paper.
Where do you think we are right now, Evie? We're at the aviary. Do you know what the aviary is?
No.
It's where they have all the birds. We're gonna go look at birds today. What is it?
It's the Botanicum, and look. Look. So beautiful.
It's all birdie.
Look at that bird.
Love it. I want to make an oversized book like that. That would be so cool.
The ginkgo. I love the ginkgo.
You ready to go, Liz? Open the door for me.
Quick trip to that recycle bin and turn this into something new. But you know, it's staying as reused, reuse, recycle. It's in there.
You want to read about the toucan?
Yeah.
The Toko toucan. What do you think, Fanny? What do you think of those birdies?
Why is not one?
What do you think?
I'm a little scared. It's like around my fingers.
Hold your cup out to it, Liz.
That one's probably someone who likes doing people's hair.
Can you get it off?
Come on, there we go.
This one is like
Here,
for
feed these over here.
licking the container and like last on my finger for your life.
That's better. He typically does that. He gets really excited.
You're pretty. That's what they're called. This is called the sandhill crane, and they used to grow up when they were on the farm where I grew up when I was a kid.
Really?
Yep, and we would see them all the time fly out into the field. They're beautiful. Push. Nice. We're just looking out our window, and there is a beautiful hot air balloon outside. Out in the mountains of Utah. We're nestled right in the mountains, right down in the valley here. And that's the lodge over there. We're parked over there right on the other side of this trailer, so you can kind of see us. Then we picked up a rental car so that we could, you know, drive around while we had our truck in the shop. So everything is working very well. Hello, stranger. Ready to go? Drop off the rental car?
So the motor oil's blowing out of there and blowing all over the sensor.
Nice.
Making it not read correct. So yeah, it's great now, but the first pass you pull or the first time you accelerate hard, it's going to do it again.
Yeah.
So that's probably a brass fitting or bronze, probably brass.
Right.
But if you had a piece of tubing, like I guess like a copper tubing for like a house's plumbing,
Right.
you could come out of that and go back with a 90 and go back 3 or 4 inches and have that tube dump past the sensor.
And have them just welded on there.
Right.
Yeah.
But that welder guy I told you about, I told him about it and he's like, no way.
I think the merch is very cool. And they have so many different kinds of chocolate. Bourbon barrel aged. They should have that in Lexington. Pine nut chocolate. Hold on. The s'mores bar. Street for lavender. Belize. Other different single origins. And they have these giant sets. These are so cool. I just love the boxes specifically. Those are dope. I need a box manufacturer. How are they?
This one is a mug.
Yeah.
This one is a mug too.
Nice. Do you like those?
Yeah.
Those are pretty, right? Very cool. So when we were in Heber City, we brought the truck into the shop and they found a couple things that needed to be fixed. So we're hoping when we get out of here that we can actually make some distance without anything major happening. We were overheating a little bit, but now we're ready to hit the road again and hopefully get up to Twin Falls, which is where we're going. So this is the resort that we've been staying at. It's a pretty fancy one. Pretty cool. We don't usually stay at like super fancy places, but this was really nice to hang out at. They've got like 3 pools here, 3 hot tubs, pretty cool.